Okay guys, we're into part 5 now. So part 5 is in the Yankee weather part. Again. Thunderstorms, some could be severe.
More rain, believe it or not, scattered showers, thunderstorms here, a bit more likely as we await a front to approach. And this front will bring in significant changes. 6 off towards Pittsburgh, we'll have some stronger thunderstorms, temperatures in the upper 70s. Threats here will be damaging winds. Potentially, though, you could see a little bit of small hail out there as well. Storms work through Pennsylvania, New York, even into portions of West Virginia. Stronger thunderstorms, temperatures in the upper 70s. There will be the risk for some severe weather out there as well. Severe thunderstorms possible in through parts of Pennsylvania, New York, even into portions of West Virginia.
You can see this
as we watch these thunderstorms work through. Big threats here will be damaging winds. Potentially, though, you could see a little bit of small hail out there as well. Can't rule out an isolated tornado, although, again, I think wind is the
so
big
guys,
threat
see
here.
a storm
As we move through time, you can tell not too much going on to start off with, but by 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we see those showers, thunderstorms fire up, and there's going to be several waves of these thunderstorms here before we see the main line work through with cold front. As this swings off towards the east, it does die down overnight, and then we push into Saturday morning where the front is still trying to work its way offshore. As it does so, it's bringing cooler, less humid air, so the numbers, they will be New England. Yeah, we'll have to watch out for that here off towards the north Sunday night. Forecast showing Pittsburgh, you go from the upper 70s to the mid-60s.
so you can see the storm tomorrow.